quick turnaround time, meaning you getting paid even that much faster. Going to hand it over to John just to clarify claims. We're going to wrap up, and then we'll have time to address the questions if you do have any. So here's John once more.
Thanks, David. So, as David was saying, just to get to the issue of claims and clarifying them so that we understand how our process works, and you understand why it's more reliable than, we've done our best to make it as reliable as possible, more reliable than a lot of the other simplified issue products out there, and definitely a lot more reliable than the guaranteed issue, some of the guaranteed issue products. The way that it works, as we were saying before, is that for a guaranteed issue product, there are no medical questions. Everyone is lumped into the same category. And by lumping everyone into the same risk category, what they do is there's very little work done up front, or none done at the time of the application. But then when claim time comes around, they need to decide whether or not the client is actually eligible for the coverage that they had. So that's what we mean when we refer to post-claims underwriting, is that unlike our products where the eligibility is determined when you do the application, and once you sign the application and submit it, that's it. The person is, we've already gone through everything to determine how eligible they are. For products without that sort of work, none of the work gets done up front, and they claim to be very easy and they claim to be very speedy, but what they're doing is sort of mortgaging the future to pay for the present. They're creating these very little work at the time of application, but then when claim time comes around, that's when they do all of their investigations. So one of our competitors, this is a quote from one of our competitors at a seminar that they gave, saying that every claim will be heavily investigated with very extensive digging. So that one wasn't even a guaranteed issue product. That was simplified, one of our competitors. So when you get your clients involved in a situation like that, they sign the application, they think they have the coverage, it's called guaranteed sometimes, so they assume that the payout is guaranteed, when in fact they're sort of rolling the dice about what's going to happen at claim time. With Canada Protection Plan, what we do is, because of the way that our questions separate out the clients into different risk categories, and because of the verification process, which goes through and makes certain that the client understands the questions and that they've all been answered,